So here we are at a 2007 Honda Fit. Typical problem, high security key is jammed. It's the door lock this time. It's the Japanese made Honda Fit, but it still has the same door problem as all high security Hondas. This one was a little bit tough taking apart because it's been repaired before, and instead of the clip to take the lock out from the bottom and we just pulled down, somebody put it in from the top. So it took quite a while to get that out. And then it's been repaired before, and they sort of put in a lot of the old wafers still in there, and they were just jammed up every which way. Key was stuck in the door. We were able to get it out. It took a little while to get all those bent wafers out. So we're going to do the usual Honda fix. It shouldn't give any more problems to the owner of the vehicle, and it's all fixed again. So again, typical 2007 Honda Fit high security key problem. We'll talk about the ignition problems later on the Fits. It requires quite a bit of different work when you're fixing the ignitions on the Fits. Okay, thank you very much.